Hey, automation titans, entrepreneurs, digital marketers, affiliate marketers. I am giving away a copy of this book, How to Generate Organic Facebook Traffic for Any Affiliate Product via Chatbots. And if you want to get your grubby paws on this book, you want to head on over here to Facebook and find the Bot Universe. And then just click on Learn More, and it's going to launch a Facebook Messenger conversation with you. And here you can see, once you click the Get Started button, then you're given instructions for how you can download this book, How to Generate Traffic. Now, in the book itself, it is complete. I break down the entire process step by step for how you can begin using this automation in your business. And the first thing you need to do is we'll sign up for a mini chat, and I'll show you how to do that. And secondly, then importing the template. I have the template available for you to use, and you don't need to recreate it. Here it is in all of its glory. It's got all of its parts, and this is the messenger, the ManyChat messenger template that you would be using. And I break this down. I explain it to you here, and I explain what's happening, how you can use it in your business, and also how you can change out your affiliate links, right? There are places here where you can put your affiliate links. I'll show you how to switch those out. And then finally, I show you how to optimize your Facebook profile. Your Facebook page, your personal profile is where I would recommend you work. I am working out of my Facebook page because I don't like to mix my personal life with my business life, but I have optimized my Facebook page. I mean, you can see here an example of where I show you how to optimize this, right? Where to put the links for your bot, and different ways that you can turn your Facebook page into a funnel, really basically attract the people that you want to attract. When you make a comment on a post or in a group, people come back to your personal profile to check you out, and when they do, they're going to see this mini funnel, really. And these links will they will launch your automated messenger funnel that you can see here. All of them are the same. So again, if you want to get this book, if you want to get this free download, this guide here, then you need to head on over to the Bot Universe and click on Learn More, and you will get the book inside of your smartphone conversation. All right. Good luck, and here's to your success.